Hi, this is Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And the question I got asked just now is, Teddy, how do I change the language in my Google Chrome? Before I show you how to do this, hit the subscribe button because I got a whole lot more videos coming on how to use Google Workspace and Gmail, and I create these videos for you. So you would think the answer would be in Chrome, where you go to Chrome Settings and you go to Advanced and you go to Languages. But that's not it, because these languages here are based on the translation of content, not how this page is going to show up. The language that Chrome is going to use across everything you do in Chrome is going to be based on your Google account and the language and region that you choose in your Google account. And the way you change the language and the region in your Google account is right here. Go to Manage My Google Account or Your Google Account. And then when you go to Manage Your Google Account, under Personal Info, down near the bottom, you will see General Preferences for the Web, Manage Settings for Google Services on the web, and you choose the language here. So you can change your preferred language right here, and you can choose whatever language you want to choose, and that will be how your Google account and subsequently all of the Google products that are web-based will show up, in this case, in Chrome. So again, it's not under Chrome Settings Languages, because that's for translation. The answer for changing the way Chrome displays, what languages it displays, is under your personal information, down here to the bottom, General Preferences for the Web, Language. I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I hope that's helpful for you.